Anong symptoms na nandyan ng Holy Spirit? Unexplained, frequent smiling. Papangiti-ngiti ka lang. Paano yung mga hindi nag-smile? Parang baka wala ang Holy Spirit. Number two, you have episodes of appreciation. Yung nagpapasalamat ka sa mga tao, thank you ha. Thank you, kamsahamnida, saranghe. Check another. You have lost taste of judging others. Hindi ka na? Ayaw ka na mag-judge sa mga tao. Okay na yan. Hindi mo na pinapatulan yung mga ganon. Number three, less worry. Worry ka ng worry, parang dinededma mo siguro yung Holy Spirit. Are you worrying less now? Then the Holy Spirit is with you. And you are now more hopeful. Yes, mayroon din. May mangyayari pa dyan. Hindi ka nag-star. And you enjoy simple moments. You can enjoy simple moments, looking at the moon, doing a little exercise, smiling at your dog. Generosity to others. Symptom yan. Mapagbigay ka. You have compassion for the needy. Maawain ka sa mga nangangailangan. You have that heart. That's a symptom. And so, if the symptoms persist, don't consult your doctor. Contact and thank the Holy Spirit.